Okay, so why did it not start? Well, the battery was a little low, so I had to jump it with the charger here. But I forgot that the carburetor, it needs to be rebuilt, and the float on it gets stuck down sometimes when you let it sit. It's been sitting since Thanksgiving, roughly. So when it sits like that, all the gas just floods through the car. It drips a little bit, but it isn't too bad. But that's why it was really flooded. It shut out a big plume of black smoke. You could probably hear it backfiring a little bit in that other video when it was trying to start. But anyway, I got it running now. Got the idle set up a little high just because if it stalls, I just don't want to have to drag it back in the house because I don't have a vehicle right now. You can see I added them weights. Give it a little bit of extra force. And as you can also see, the snow is just a little bit too deep. It isn't the asphalt. So, yeah, it stopped if it wasn't so icy. If it wasn't so icy, you can see it's pretty hard. There's this piece over here. It's pretty much like hard pack ice snow now. Not like the powder it was a couple of days ago. If it was like that, we'd be all set. But you could see like the size of the banks over there. I mean, it's just not gonna go. We can drive around a little bit, maybe slide on some of the ice stuff. It's not really fully engaging, it just kind of drags like that. It should just dump. I think maybe I did one too many wheelies on it. Anyway, we're on some ice right now. Hopefully we can get some spin action going. You can see it's pretty slippery. I mean, the brakes locked up. We'll go for a little ride and show you where we go off-roading with this thing here. Sorry, it's kind of hard. This thing is definitely not the easiest drive in the world. That's where we go, right in there. Actually, somebody shoveled it out a little bit, I wonder. Oh. Nope. But it's down in there, it goes into power lines, and it's a big, huge woods trail. Maybe I'll walk it sometime. It's a lot of fun. Not really too interesting, kind of boring, but it works. There's the Chevy right there. See, it's got the cover on it, whatnot. Maybe I'll try to climb a snowbank. That might be kind of interesting. Sorry about the camera there. I just don't want to show off any of my neighbors' houses. Pump that clutch. Oh, she's running a little shitty. Give her a little choke. Right now we're not moving. The clutch is there she goes. rattling you hear, and that's the hood. Okay, there's the soft smoky soda. Let's go for it.